the Rogue Ridge RG750 and RG1000.
First, unbox your bike. Remove all extra packaging. Begin with your bike frame and front wheel fork. Use the Allen wrench to unscrew the cap. Remove the plastic and metal rings. Then insert the top of the fork into the larger frame. Place the metal, then plastic rings on top of the frame. Place the handlebars atop the fork steering tube. Reinstall the plastic cap and screw combo from before. Tighten this screw to hold the fork tight against the frame. Align the handlebars and tighten the two screws in the stem. Open the bike seat hinge on the frame and slide the bike seat directly into place. Tighten the screw and close the latch. Next, the front tire. Unscrew the nuts on both sides of the axle, then remove the axle. Line up the center of the tire. Ensure the brake pads line up with the brake disc and everything is properly in place. Then reinsert the axle. Screw the nuts back into place on both ends of the axle and tighten any additional screws. Check that the handlebars and wheel are properly aligned. Distinguish which pedal is which and screw it into place, using a wrench for extra security. Keep in mind the left pedal is reverse threaded and will screw in counterclockwise. Remove the two bolts on either side of the back tire frame. Line up the metal rack and screw the bolts back into place until secure. Retrieve the screen display and line it up with the center of the handlebars. Secure it into place so the two loops each close completely. Tighten the two screws and move the screen to a comfortable position for the rider. Also, secure the power button display on the left handlebar in a comfortable position and tighten the screw. Connect the loose wires. Perform any last checks on the bike, making sure the seat, pedals, wheels, and handlebars are securely fastened. Properly inflate your tires, and you're ready to ride.